think Rosie's hot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to West Virginia, so let's go. Just dropped off my check bags. Now I'm going to TSA. My camera case got pulled at TSA. It's to be expected. I got it. Okay, got me a sandwich. Check my bag. It's not good, but hopefully everything gets there.
Once airborne this afternoon, 420 miles, 1 hour, 12 minutes flying, temperatures and altitude of 34,000 feet.
I've landed at my hometown gate. Hello, Charlotte. I have like an hour and 30 minutes. My flight got delayed by 35 minutes. I'm going to E. So, yay, Charlotte, North Carolina. It's busy here. My flight got moved back, so I leave at 3:15 now. This backpack is really heavy because I had to put my camera and the audio system in there. But yeah, I guess let's go find some place to sit, I guess. It's fun. We're going to West Virginia. West Virginia!
Search. Report any suspicious person.
5365 to Charleston. We're currently waiting on the aircraft to arrive at the gate. Status is delayed for boarding a few minutes.
West Virginia, new state. Super excited. This is my 41st state I'm going to now, so.
Almost heaven. West Virginia, where ridge and mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains.
There's only one baggage claim area. So that's how small this airport is. Okay, let's go. Yeah. And that's why I need cars like these. Heavy bag here. Alright. Just a little whip here. Yeah. Little Chevy. Okay. How do I get out of here? So I think I'm gonna go eat first and then I'll deal with the hotel later. It is 8 minutes away. Alright, let's try to figure out this whole thing. Do I connect? Is this what's going on here? Literally right out of the airport, long windy roads. It's not even a highway, it's long windy roads. Dude, it's so pretty though, look at this.
Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, mountain mama, Lord, take me home. Country roads.
combo or the large one? For the chicken and broth. Okay, so this is for future Lauren. You parked on floor 3. Okay. Jesus. It seems like a nice hotel. And I think the event people are nice so far on text, so that's always a plus. I am ready to eat food, and then I want to go on a little exploration. The concierge was a little confused because it wasn't under my name. I just started listing off names that was on my event report, and then finally got someone. So I hope that this was actually meant for me and not for like another staff person. Anyways, this is my view. Oh my god, I get a balcony. Wait. Wait, 4 inches for ventilation. Wait, but like I want to go outside. Wait, why can't I go on the balcony? Anyways, this is my view through the dirty screen. That's where I'm working tomorrow. So I need to figure out, so I think through those doors I'm gonna be parking tomorrow. I don't know, this place seems to be massive, so. But yeah, this is Charleston, West Virginia. This is what it looks like. I need to figure out a grocery store so I have breakfast tomorrow, because I don't think this hotel has breakfast. Typically Marriott's don't have free breakfast, you have to buy it. I'm only working 1 day, which is honestly not bad at all, because I'm used to like usually these competitions being so long. 3-day, 4-day events. No silverware. If you guys see my last episode, y'all know I purchased these for $1 at Walmart. And this is why I travel with silverware, because they don't come with stuff. Yeah, my mask lesbian tool belt right here. I'm prepared for everything. Room tour, by the way. King bed. I'm giving the people a room tour of my room. Here we go, here's the bathroom. Pretty nice. It's a Marriott. They're all nice, except they don't, you know, feed you. So good. Okay, so this is the convention center I'm working. Right now I'm having a little exploration, and I'm also trying to go to Kroger. I mispronounced it in my other video, so Kroger is what it is. This is my hotel right there, 10th floor. It's a 15-minute walk, so we're gonna see what's going on. If anybody knows anything about Greyhound buses, is that West Virginia has a lot of them. And that's where they get all their road tripping stuff for groups. Greyhound bus. It's in the song. West Virginia. Na, 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 na. Oh my god, we're about to walk over this bridge. It's gonna be crazy. Check this out. Oh yeah. Bridge walking. Street talking. Well, this is pretty nice. Little river. And then just more of the convention center. This convention center is massive. This is gonna be an experience. Well, would you looky here, Pennsylvania Avenue. Just for me. I really wonder what lives in this hole over here. Okay, we're in Kroger. Honestly, I did get a little sketchy vibes. So after this, I'm just gonna go to my hotel and maybe past it, see what's on the other side, because it's a little bit sketch. over here, or maybe I just have to get readjusted to the south again. I think that's what that is. Okay, so I got bagels, a Propel, and a granola bar. Should be good for one day. Yeah. It's getting really humid. It's really humid here. I don't know if it's like air quality, but it's like foggy. I don't know. Maybe that's why my throat is so dry. I don't know. Yeah, so it says air quality alert. These conditions are an issue. It says the severity is unknown. West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection has issued a code orange for air quality, a matter from Canadian wildfire smoke. Yeah, no wonder why my throat is dry and I'm coughing so much. It's because the air quality is terrible right now. Like, I could see it in the air. I'm like, this doesn't look right. But it's from Canada? Crazy. Probably see it right there, the misty, the haziness, that's the air quality. You just see it. So, is West Virginia considered the South? I mean, I feel like it's just as much as the South as North Carolina. Yeah, no, I don't know if it's considered the South, is it? West Virginia? I don't know. They're fishing off of the dock. So this is like a place where like singers come to sing. Like, it's that big of a convention center. Like, Luke Bryan is gonna play here. And if you guys don't know who Luke Bryan is, it's a country singer, okay? Everyone knows who that is, even if you're not into country. But yeah. They probably stay in this hotel too. Check out the 3rd floor. Huh. Let's check out the fitness center. Not bad. Okay, well, the pool is a no-go, but the fitness gym is pretty decently big, so I might have a go run at that. Not today, probably Saturday morning. This hotel comes with glasses. I've always wanted glasses like these. I low-key want to drink out of them. I'm gonna go fill this up with ice and drink out of it. Oh, wow, the seat is low. Today has been such a long day. My pants are dirty. The air quality is terrible. My lungs are feeling it. But this hotel is very nice. Pristine condition. I approve. Yeah, I have a whole thing to check.